Hello everyone. So let us introduce ourselves first. So my name is Eric Sarbat.
My name is Anita Ignacio. My name is Christy Ju. In this video, we will be interviewing few people from RSCS for our English project. We will be interviewing a grade 9 student, grade 11 student, and elementary student. And one of us will be interviewing a parent.
So let's begin.
Good day to everyone. My name is Christy Ju and I'm here to interview. I am Gary Francisco from grade 9 Aguilar. So I will be asking you 4 questions. So it's okay, you can take your time asking. First question. If you were given a chance to time travel in the past or future, what year will you go to and why? If I would be given a chance to time travel in the past or future, the year that I will travel to is 2021. I think I wasted most of my time in that year. It's like I isolated myself from everybody, especially my parents. I was young, but I didn't act young. I don't bond with anyone at that time, but only my friends. I would go back there to appreciate my parents, to play like a kid, to act like my age, and to be that joyful once again. Second question. What language do you want to learn and why? The language that I want to learn is Korean. I want to learn it so I don't need to read subtitles and watching when watching K-dramas or listening to K-pop music. Third question. What would you say to your future 25-year-old self? I hope you're still friends with the awesomest people. I hope you finally chose what job you want to take. I hope you find someone who will take care of you. Stay joyful like you always are, and I hope you do not curse a lot. Keep on achieving your goals, and don't be just pretty. Be pretty and smart. Last question. If you were given a chance to leave the Philippines, which country would you want to spend the rest of your life and why? If I were given a chance to leave the Philippines, I would choose the country Japan. I think I would be able to spend the rest of my life there as Japan owns all my favorite stuff. They say that if you're drunk in a street in Japan, no one would care about you. I would love to live in that kind of society where no one would judge me as much as Filipinos. Thank you for your answer. Hi, I'm Anita from Ted Body Fashion and I'm with Japan Fagan from 11th. I'll be asking you 4 questions. So for the first question, if you were to be given a chance to time travel in the past or future, what year would you go to and why?
I want to go back to the year 2012 because that year my tita mommy and my lolo were still alive. I really miss them so much and I want to spend more time with them.
For the second question, what is a language you want to learn and why?
The language that I want to learn is Japanese language because I'm a fan of anime and it is really struggle for me if I don't find a subtitle on the really good anime that I want to watch.
For the third question, what would you say to your future 25-year-old self?
The thing that I want to say for my future 25-year-old self is that I hope that you're happy, healthy, and living the life that you want. And also, please always choose yourself first before others. Patayan my future flight attendant.
And for the fourth question, if you were given a chance to leave the Philippines, which country would you want to spend the rest of your life in and why?
I choose Japan because, as I said earlier, my dream country is Japan, and it is really one of my biggest achievements in life if that would
today I will interview Miss Abigail Pesebre. Miss Abby, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Abigail Pesebre, Grade School Coordinator of Redeeming Christ School.
So we will interview Miss Abigail for our project in English. So let's start. First question. If you were given a chance to time travel to the past or future, what year will you go to and why?
2017 was the year I would choose to go back in time if given a chance. I experienced both happiness and saddest year of my life. I'm the happiest because I fulfilled my family dream finishing my schooling, which was actually my parents want to achieve. Knowing that I was able to show my parents that they were able to let their child to graduate made their suffering worthwhile. However, the loss of my mother during this time in my life was also the saddest. If we only were able to travel back in time, I would show her that she doesn't lacking in anything. But she really gave so much and more than I expected. I would make her feel that she is more appreciated and more loved. I'll do my best to bring her the happiness and give her the feeling that she is the greatest mother that I ever known. Not simply just a mother, but greatest mother. I never saw her getting weak whenever anything went wrong. She is a superhero. She can do everything. That's it.
I would like to congratulate Miss Abby for her graduation. Because knowing Miss Abby, she really deserved that. And knowing all the people in the world, she's the most hardworking person that I know.
Thank you.
Second, I want to say that the mother's love is very unconditional. They do everything in the shadows. They never say anything that will make you feel down to yourself or make you feel bad. They are there because they want you to lift you up, and they're there to cheer up. Next question. What language do you want to know to learn and why?
Okay, I want to learn Spanish language because there's a similarities sa Philippines and also Hangul. It's easy to learn because there are 24 characters or in alphabet that easy anyone can learn it. That's it.
The Spanish language is very similar because of they colonize, right?
Yeah, yes.
They colonize the Philippines.
Which is 333 years.
Yes. AP teacher. They colonize the Philippines, that's why we have a lot and similar in our language and in our culture. And the Hangul language is very easy to learn because when you open your mouth, that is their language, right? That is their language. That's why it's very easy to learn. And they have very minimal, what do you call it? Yes, letters. So moving on, next question. What will you say to your past 16 years old self?
Don't rush everything. There is a right time for everything. If you have a mistake in the past, use it as a lesson to succeed in life. Keep dreaming and dream higher. Don't be hard on yourself. And always remember your value. Believe in yourself and enjoy your little things. Even the smallest, the little things makes you happy.
Yes. As a 16 years old and as a teenager, I could really relate on that because, as you know, I'm a very hardworking person. It's not obvious, but I really work hard to achieve my dream.
Hindi, doon pa lang sa, as a SSG president, makikita mo talaga na hindi biro yung papasok ka sa school, gagawa ka ng academics and also extracurricular. After nun, hindi ka pa uuwi because the events, mag-handle ng events, and afterwards, uwi ka sa bahay, hindi pa natatapos yung pagiging sarili mo, maraming
You're
gawain.
still a son, you're still a brother, you're still a
Na
parent.
kailangan mo kasi kasuhin na dahil ikaw ay isang bata ka pa rin, diba?
Because as a teenager, you're learning responsibilities. So, moving on to number 4 question. If you were given a chance to live in the Philippines, which country would you want to spend the rest of your life in? Why?
The country that I would like is Japan because there are some students or people having a proper behavior and respect for all people, regardless their financial status, and also yung mga students, independent na sila pagdating sa school.
They're very mature.
Yes. So, sobrang matured sila pagdating sa school. And also, isipin mo yung mga nakikita nating mga facts about Japan na maliban sa culture nila, natitrain as younger. Diba? Imagine na maraming bata sa mundo yung naglalaro lang, sila hindi.
They are very responsible.
Yes, responsible sila pagdating lalo na sa pag-aaral.
So that's all for our questions with Miss Abigail. Thank you, Miss Abby, because you gave us an opportunity to interview and know you more better.
My pleasure.
Hi, I'm Anika Fontan Bonifacio. Today I'm with my dad who's currently working in Qatar, so that's why we're in a video call. So Daddy, I'll be asking you 4 questions. So for the first question, if you were given a chance to time travel in the past or future, what year will you go to and why?
Okay, thanks for your question. I think if given a chance for time travel, I would like to return to year 2022, March 17. So, that is the time your lolo, tatay, if you remember, passed away. So, I wish I was with our tatay during the time, the minutes of his last breath. So, I think that is the year I want to return if given a chance.
So for the second question, what language do you want to learn and why?
Okay. I've been working overseas for many years. Till now, I haven't learned any single language where I work. Let's say like I was in Dubai, so never had a chance to learn Arabic. I wish I can understand their language so I can speak to my colleagues directly. So probably the language in Dubai, Arabic. Then I was also working in Qatar, so same thing also. Many of my colleagues are Arabic there. And lastly, I work also in Thailand, so probably I wish also I can understand how to speak their language as well.
For the third question, what would you say to your past 16-year-old self?
I think what will I say to my past 16-year-old self, right?
Yes.
Happy, of course, because that time I was still for the 16 years old. We are still in the high school level, right? So probably the most happy moments are in the high school time. So I think happy.
And for the fourth question, if you were given a chance to leave the Philippines, which country would you want to spend the rest of your life and why?
Is it okay if I will not choose to go outside the Philippines? I'd rather choose to stay in the Philippines to be with my family. Is it possible? Choose any other country except to stay in the Philippines?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So I'd rather choose to stay in the Philippines because let's say I've been outside the Philippines for a long time. So I want to spend the rest of my life with my family in the Philippines. So of course, I miss the Philippines so much. That's it.
Okay, thank you for your answers, Daddy.
After interviewing those people, we will now answer some of our own questions. So let me ask you, Eros, if you were given a chance to time travel to the past or future, where will you go to and why?
I think I will go to the past where Jesus was born. Because I'm a very religious person and I'm very interested in the Bible history itself.
So you are curious about what's happening in the past.
Yes, I'm very nostalgic person.
That's really nice.
Now, I will ask you, Anika, if you were given a chance to leave the Philippines, which country would you want to spend the rest of your life and why?
For me, I would want to go to Italy because Italy is known for their beautiful museums and beautiful structures. And I really want to see those beautiful structures and beautiful museums in Italy.
Italy is now sinking, right? It's a very nice place, but I think it's sinking, right?
For you, Christine, what language do you want to learn and why?
For me, I have like a lot of information after but learning Korean because I really like to listen to K-pop and sometimes I just like wanna understand what they're saying without looking at something else. Yes.
Yes, sorry.
Yes.
Japan.
Okay, this is the end of our video. Thank you everyone.
Thank you for watching, guys.
you.